We're about to test the Black Diamond Premium Trimmer line, the .095 in our 266 Echo. Stay tuned and let you guys know how we like it. After using the Black Diamond trimmer line with my 266T Echo, I was very impressed of how it worked. Check out what it looks like up close. The line was really good for trimming, as you saw in the video. It will speed up productivity. The only thing that I would now need to test is to buy my first roll to see how long it lasts. So that will happen next for the next test I do with the new Black Diamond trimmer line by Echo.